Oh man, let's get that out of here. Alrighty. Yeah, that's me, Noah. That's definitely Remy. Drewski's right hand man. What up, Gino? Good morning. My eyes going up here. Where's Kato? Forgot my name was on this mug. Bertus docks himself live. Higher only in plain continuation inverse. Fair value gap, all time high. All time high is kind of nuts, no? Oh, no, it's not. First, it's gonna be this daily Sibby fill. And then I'll be playing like the quadrants of this first wick here. Have that marked out. And then this high, and then all-time high. I wonder if it gives all-time high all in one shot today. Could, definitely could. Yeah, I mean, there's not even really anything to look at. I mean, the 4 hour is just literally just going straight up. The hourly is literally just going straight up. I preferably probably would have wanted even to see this stay open. I gotta look at ES, but ES is almost at all-time high. These are smooth edges. That's gonna get hit. I gotta set up an alert on this just so I don't miss it when it does happen. 63, 50. These are smooth edges, gonna get smacked. Yeah, it's just the classic expansion. Manipulation below midnight. I don't even think NQ even. Oh yeah, it did. There's SMT there. So this low is definitely protected. I'm gonna need that background color, Big Daddy. It's just gray. It's just this gray. The third gray. Yeah, I mean, there's literally nothing to look at. I just want 930 to pull back, realistically, and then we just go higher. If not, I mean, I'm not gonna chase. This is New York expansion. Yeah. No, we can expand all the way until we can just expand all day. We don't on a day like this, K. Expansion should not stop at 10 o'clock. Even 12. High day should be anywhere from 1:30 to 3 o'clock. Am I autistic or is that like a cream color? If my screen looks orange, it's because I have this on, but I turned it down. I mean, I'll do that. That should not be any cream anymore. First 15-minute tap. Are we in there? Yeah, pretty much. But I'm not gonna be like so aggressive to where I'm just chasing like immediately. Like it has to make sense. You know what I mean? Like I'm not trying to FOMO. Ideally, any down close candles act as support. So um this yeah, see how the yeah even the low was put in at 3 a.m. and we're trading off of an order block too. Oh, this is weekly open. I don't know why anybody's even surprised. Like people thought we were gonna be bearish. Yeah, like that's what I was about to say. This 5 minute order block should hold because it rebalanced some of this inefficiency. We came down, filled in this inefficiency and left. So now this to me is a balanced price range. Underneath is unbalanced, but this area. And when you're hyper bullish like this, you just want to see this continue to go. So plus order block, middle ground. I need to find the clip of when ICT is talking about like when you have these gap up days. Because I'm not entirely sure. Any taps on that and I'm max long. 3 minis deep. I'm gonna wait a little bit, but yeah, I'm long too for sure. Ideally this one stays. Ideally just the upper half of this right here, not even use the body, just the wick since it's a longer wick. But we also the only problem is too is that it might sweep this low because there's all this under here, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna wait. Preferably I want to sell a sell stop hunt before any move higher. You want to run on sell side liquidity, so we'll see. Right? Need me a 6-year range. What does that even mean? Where's my phone? Back there. I wish my lighting didn't suck so bad, but can't have it all. Look how beautiful it is out there. I don't even think you guys can see. London lows maybe? Hell no. Bro, please please do not go short. If this comes all the way down and takes London lows, then I don't know. I need to reevaluate everything that I know. You trade ranges, so these trend days are gay. This is where you make all your money, though. This is, well, not you, but I'm saying this is where you should be making all your money. Like, these are the easiest days to, if you know what you're looking for, these are the easiest days to hold for like 100, 200 points. This is really smooth, but we do have this huge gap. But normally when you have this massive gap up like this, you just continue to go higher. I need to find the ICT clip, but I also need to put in this new week opening gap on my chart. So we have 8 minutes before. So here's the close. And WOG close to the open. New week opening gap high. This does not need to be read. New week opening gap high. What day is this? Sunday the 24th. Alright. New week opening gap November 24th, 2024 high. Low. And then when there's a big one like this, I like to use the consummate encroachment. Boom. November 24 CE. Make this joint dashed. Oop. Yeah, see how the New Week opening gap was being used as support this entire time? Even here. So there it is. Still waiting for 9:30. NQ hasn't even came down here. Black Friday sale. Full port shorts, let's get it. I mean, I could be wrong. I know you're kidding, but still. Only been on futures? Oh, okay. What up, bro? That NWOG CE damn near aligns with the previous week high. I didn't even peep that. I was initially bearish, like wanting to be bearish going in on Monday. And I mean, like I said, I'm gonna preferably wait for a solid reaction out of this. I'm not just gonna go long. Yeah, it is. Guys, whenever you see something like this, see how fat, let me go to here, this is better. Whenever you see this kind of speed to the downside, and when price delivers this fast, when you have large manipulation, you're gonna have large distribution. So like, see how this move, this is a fake move, right? See how the fakest moves are gonna be like the scariest to be a part of. They're gonna be fast. So that's why it tricks a lot of people. And you can see we even closed below this low in the daily time frame, but this low isn't important. So higher time frame order flow makes sense, right? All we did was rebalance this area here and then move higher. So that's why I said in my Discord I posted that I want this low to be protected, but it still could get taken. But ideally, if we're going to continue to be bullish, since it is seasonal tendency, we should just continue to go higher without taking this. And this low being put in on Tuesday makes sense, right? If you look at ES, it's even stronger because it's been stronger. So the faster the move to the downside, the more explosive the move should be to the upside. And seasonal tendencies, all this different stuff. Should all make sense. But the only thing is that is sus is like how smooth these relative equal or how smooth this price action is down here. And we do have the NWOG open, but normally when you have this gap up, you just go higher. But we'll see, right? I want 930 to go lower and then have some displacement higher. You have to make it logical for yourself, right? Like everything we've already outlined on the higher time frame, there's not really a reason to be bearish in my eyes as of now. Like yeah, we're still in this bearish for value gap, which could take us lower, but ideally we don't, right? So if it does give me a short setup, I'll take it. I have no problem flipping bias, whatever. That's just kind of how like my thought process is going into this. But the no news Monday today should be pretty decent since we were inside day on Friday. And this also isn't the most high probability order block, right? If you go on the 15 minutes, not even there. So how far is? Yeah, it's a lot of points though. So I wanted previous day low. I wanted Friday's low to be swept, and then price to go higher from there. Because I was studying old price action yesterday, but it was like the inverse. Yeah, see, this isn't good, right? Like we don't want this. We don't want this order block just. So this means we're not like super hyper bullish as of now, which makes sense. I gotta delete this. This is way too many. I gotta delete this daily fair value gap or something, or put this on. It's the high of this candle. 81.50. Let's see. Um, I'm shorting if it breaks inverted fair value gap. To be honest, that's fun. You can do whatever you want. Look at daily wicks we made as well. Failed to go down so many times. Yeah. Everybody in Charmaine's chat is bearish. Yeah, like I said, I'm not too familiar with these gap updates, but I don't like how clean these relative equal lows are here. So that's why I'm like open to either side really. And this order block not immediately sending price higher shows that we're not as strong as we need to be, right? That's what I'm looking at. So we close below here. Definitely not looking great. But initially, you always want to run on sell stops, anyways. So we'll see what happens at 9:30. This kind of just looks like low resistance to me now, or like earlier. Oh, I should probably open my top step X, shouldn't I? I gotta make sure I don't have anything leaked. Hold on. I gotta block this out. Rob long it. Everybody bearish, cause this kind of looks sus. You see how smooth these are? And we're not trading off of a key level. That's why too. Like when I looked here and there was no order block. Like how are we gonna go higher? Okay, when there's no key level sponsoring it, right? But I'm not gonna go short like right at 9:30, right? But this was sus right here. The only thing, like I said, like 5 times now, is that I need to look into that ICT gap up thing. But first area of discount is midnight, right? So we might be able to get a little. We'll see what happens here. These are clean. Relative equal lows. Yeah, I want to see what happens on the 5 minute here. If we close below these order blocks. But if it's like this, if it's just snapping back and forth, I'm not getting. I got killed last time. Depends on how of a time frame you're looking, to be honest. I'm taking shorts on 30 40 points max. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, see, like, look, here we go. Look at ES. This is what I'm talking about. These days are weird. So this day might be trash already. I'm in no rush to put on a trade. We gotta see if this acts as resistance. And it does not look like it's acting as resistance so far. Yeah, I'm not doing this again. So this could do whatever it wants without me. Percent Rob Longit. Yeah, let me get in for science. So we got what we wanted so far. Filled in some of this imbalance. See, now we tapped into. Did we even hit this? Oh, we did to the penny. So we hit that OB right there. That was our hourly order block. So maybe price here, rebalance. I said I wanted 8 a.m. low to be protected. It is so far. We filled in some of this. So let's see. I'm still gonna wait. No news days. You wanna normally wait to operate in macros. So I might wait until then, but nothing is like really clear to me yet. Yeah, just be careful. ES definitely stronger. I like how it closed above this down close candles, two of them, but NQ failing to do so. Look at the candle bodies on the lower quadrant of that daily fair value gap. So ideally this fair value gap holds. IOFED right there. Want to see this low stay unbroken. I want to see this fair value gap disrespected now too. Oh, where's the opening range gap? Oh, it's that. Alright. I can delete this orange box. We're inside of this FEG here. 5 minute. Definitely kind of tricky for sure. Wicks or gaps. If I take a long, it might be on ES. I don't know though. I'm definitely not rushing into anything, that's for sure. Made that mistake on Friday. We got how many minutes? 13? Yeah. So 9:50. This looks like the exact kind of thing that happened on Friday. Almost. Just more bullish structure. Hopefully it's not the same thing. We barely inverse this 5 minute or 1 minute. We're just sitting inside of this. If this goes inverse, this ideally I'm just gonna wait for I'm just gonna stay on the 5 minute. I want both of these. I want this to close over. on the 5 minute. That would be telling. Get rid of this too. But ideally, this fair value gap just holds, right? As we are. So yeah, here we go. So we have 40 seconds. There it is. Want to see this hold now? Wait, what is? Why is there two? Oh, I'm gonna get rid of this. All right, so it closed over. I'm gonna go long 5 here, and then I'm gonna go long 5 here. Stop loss at this. Stop sell 10. I'll go long there actually. Yeah, I don't want to see this come back too. See, that's what I didn't want to happen. I was gonna move my thing up there for first, but maybe it comes back down again. If I'm even right? Let's see. On these like tiny, these smaller candles, I like to normally use the opening price of the big candle. But you know, if it doesn't come back, it doesn't come back, right? IOFED there. During the macro, it could retrace if this leaves a 5 minute gap, or it might come back down into it. Because ES hasn't tapped this yet, so maybe it wants to come down. But we would have been up nice 30 points already. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave my stuff there. Hasn't hit anything really. If it hits this 50% without me being in it, then I'm probably just gonna close the chart. Or maybe, I don't know. We'll see. But I'm definitely not gonna chase up here now. Did this make a new low? Low. Yeah, it did by a tick. Yeah, see. Yeah, like that. What's ES doing on the lower time frame? Kind of just chopping above here. I might just reduce a little bit of my risk. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this. Ideally, it comes back down into this 5-minute FVG, and then ES does this. I could be wrong, but I like it. Bullish biased, everything that's dip below midnight price. Right at 9:30. That was the Judas swing that I wanted. I should have been in already, to be honest. I might have to close my window. Somebody's pressure washing outside. That is AIDS. My God. So I'm gonna move my stop or my thing there, just in case it IOFEDs. 9:37 was the entry. Yeah, this was right here for sure. Off this wick, or even 9:34. I just gotta trust it more. But I was okay with letting this play out. This will be my only trade of the day. Win or lose. 5 minutes from the macro. I wonder if this is a breakaway gap. Could be. But it's a no news Monday, so I'm gonna anticipate that it's not going to be. Hasn't shown too much strength, right, so far. But if it is, it is. I framed it. I don't want to see it come back to premium or discount.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
It might actually come down here. I wonder if it does. I'm in, so we'll see if this works. I am risking 28 points, so I will take some off at a 2R if it gets there. It might not. Yeah, ideally EQ of this doesn't get tapped if I, but looks like it's going to be. Yes. Uh, this might not work. One minute before the macro. There's EQ. That's got to bounce here. If not, I'm just wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. All right. Yeah, I have no idea where price is gonna go then. Well, I'm still not out.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
All right. Well, that did not work. If it goes from if it goes up from right here, I'm gonna kill myself. All I'm gonna say. But yeah, that's not what I wanted at all. Yeah. 950s now, so yeah, this is no bueno. I kind of had a weird feeling. I wonder if it's like a thing, 'cause this does not seem like a great order block since it's such a large wick. Yeah, I don't know. What up, Sam? Good morning. Just took an L. Yeah, it is. Go Finns. That's right. Amen. All right. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I was right. Maybe this is gonna get ran. Yeah. Yeah, this is just gonna be, I think, a retard fest. That's what it looks like so far. Look just like Friday. Go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What even is this? Blue fair value gap. Goodbye. Up, down. Yep, this got so ugly so fast. Yeah, it did. Did you long that, Kay? I just got stopped out. I don't know if you're here. Yeah, see, I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, I like this. This is why I took it. I like how we 932 to swing. That's what I thought this was. Um, and then we closed above. I thought this was gonna be your bullish order block, so I just went long, and I got stopped out. Obviously, I don't know. I don't know whether I'm an absolute moron, or I had too much expectations since it's a no news Monday, or um, it's just because it's a short week with no news Monday. But I thought today would be decent. Yeah, so this new week opening gap is gonna be the draw. Up it here. There it is. Yeah, so now this should be your breaker. Oh, hello, Chunka. Chunka, chunka, chunka. I think we give up now. Let's play COD. Yeah, I'm probably done. Um, I don't think it's even gonna retrace. It's probably just gonna fill it in. And now we have SMT and all this stuff. Yeah, I already took my loss, so I think I'm gonna be done. I took like a. Oh my God! Thank God I came back. Cancel all. Let's see. I think I took like a $600 loss. Almost 569. I'll take breathe this for a little longer. Maybe I need to just listen to myself and I said wait to the macro, but even then I wouldn't have caught a short, so it's not like it would have mattered. I don't know what I did wrong. I think I think I do know what I did wrong. Is that I trusted this. Yeah, this is a fake low. That's what I did wrong. I knew. Yeah, this should have been a fake low. This was too smooth, and there was no key level that we were trading off of. The only thing that got me is the gap up, but I don't. I should have just disregarded that. I don't know. I probably should have just been hands off. ES is just wicking inside of this order block. This is just so gay. My God. Holy smokes. So now we close all the way below there. So now this should be your bearish order block. Bearish breaker. Ooh. 70.5 minute breaker. Yeah, it's huge. Well, okay, what are you doing? Just gonna be hands off? You still think higher? Yeah, I don't think you're getting that today, buddy. I'm not gonna lie. Only evals for a minute. Nothing wrong with that. See how this 15-minute candle closes? No, I got stopped out. Oracle. I went long. It's Thanksgiving week. I'm bullish for the week. Hell yeah, on to next. I know what I did wrong. Thinking about it now. This is just a fake move. Like there wasn't anything to sponsor it. I gotta, yeah, I know what I gotta do. No excuses. 15-minute inverse. Yeah, we're just gonna continue to go lower. All right, gentlemen. That's it for me. I'm gonna end my stream. Thanks for hanging out. Um, this will probably go into London Low and ES and midnight price, but obviously we're already pretty much there. Thanks for hanging out. I may be live tomorrow. I'm not sure. Hopefully, something's a little more clear tomorrow. I will probably upload this YouTube video loss going into what I did wrong later today. But yeah, enjoy your guys' day, and I'll see you guys whenever. Peace out, Gino. Have a good rest of your